Hello, friends. For this activity, you are going to work with one partner from your math group, and you're going to each need to get one of these boards from your math material area. So, you guys are going to play a little game, and it works kind of like Battleship if you've ever played Battleship. So, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to need a dry erase marker, and you are going to circle 3 of these different numbers on this game board. I'm sorry, I said 3, I meant 5. You're going to circle 5 of these numbers. You can choose any 5 that you want to. And your partner is going to do the same thing. They're going to circle their own 5 numbers on this board. And then what you guys are going to do is try to figure out what numbers your partner has circled. So the goal is for you to guess at least 2 of the numbers that they've circled. You do not have to find all 5. Your goal is to get 2. So how you're going to figure this out is you're going to take turns, and you will pick a number that you think your partner might have circled, and you're going to read it out loud. So instead of saying 0.78, you need to say it the way that we would actually read this number. This would be 78 hundredths, okay? So the goal is to be able to read these decimals accurately like we would in standard form. All right, so if you read this decimal and your partner looks at their board and they do not have it circled, they would say, "Miss," and then it's their turn to ask if you have a decimal. So they will pick a decimal on the board and read it out loud, and then you have to find it on this board based on what they say. That's why it's important that we try to say it accurately. You listen to what they say, find the decimal, and see if you have it circled. Okay, so for example, we would read this decimal number right here as 1 and 58 hundredths, not 1.58. 1 and 58 hundredths. Okay, so remember the goal is to find 2 of the numbers that your partner has circled. And if you find one, then you can say hit, and if it's a miss, then you'll tell them miss. On the back, there are directions if you need a reminder about how to play this game. When you're done, please go ahead and erase the circles that you have made and return this back to your material area. Have fun, everybody!